In this video, I will be demonstrating this heart design for wire wrapping a gemstone donut. I have other videos for donut wire wraps and will leave the links on the end cards at the end of this video. The measurements in this video are for a donut that is similar size to this unikite. If your stone is a different size, adjust the measurements accordingly. For the heart, I have a 2-inch length of 20 gauge round soft copper wire. Find the center of the wire and bend to 90 degrees. I am using the 5mm or 3/8 of an inch setting on my bail pliers. Bend both ends inwards. I now use the very tips of my round nose pliers to bend the end into small loops. I have two 6-inch lengths of 20 gauge wire. Just before the middle of the wires, I am taping them together to temporarily hold them in place. I will start wrapping at the center of the wires. My weaving wire is 30 gauge. You can use a slightly thicker weaving wire if you prefer. Find the middle of the weaving wire. Wrap the middle of the weaving wire a few times around both of the base wires. Bend the base wires apart to a 90-degree angle to match the heart. Use 1/2 of the weaving wire to wrap the right base wire and the other half of the weaving wire to wrap the left base wire. Wrap the base wires up to the point where the heart comes into contact with the base wires. Place the heart into position. Wrap twice around the side of the heart and the outer base wire. Wrap twice around just the outer wire. Wrap twice around both wires. Wrap twice around just the outer wire. Repeat on the other side. This weaving pattern looks the same on both sides, so you can flip the wires over to make the weaving process easier. Continue the same weaving pattern. Where the heart starts to bend, bend the outer wire to follow. Continue until the outer wire is approximately a 45-degree angle from the top of the heart. Repeat on the other side. The outer wires should now cross over each other at a 90-degree angle. Where the wires cross over, bend them upwards. Remove the tape. If you are using masking tape or painter's tape, it shouldn't leave a residue. Bend the wires just below the heart. Thread the wires through the hole in the donut. At the back of the stone, bend the wires upwards. Take the back wires and bend them slightly outwards. Bend these wires over the edge of the stone where the wires at the front stick out above the stone. Now bend the back wires so that they are sitting on the outer side of the front wires and parallel. Bend the back wires to follow the same shape as the front wires. Continue wrapping the weaving wire around the front wire until it comes into contact with the back wire at the top of the stone. Use the same weaving pattern as before to wrap the front and back wires together. Wrap up to where the wires bend. Repeat on the other side. Take one of the weaving wires and wrap it a couple of times around the two inner wires, briefly joining the pairs together. Now continue to wrap the pairs of wires using the same weaving pattern. Wrap up to approximately an inch from the ends. Bring the wires together to check that the woven area is level. Now trim the inner wires to the same length. Trim both the outer wires a little shorter. Remove the excess weaving wire. You will need something round to shape the bail. I am using this small screwdriver. Start wrapping the wires around whatever you are using. Bend the cut ends into small loops. I should have kept the screwdriver in place to make this process easier, so I will just slip it back into place. Your project is now complete. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up and a comment. It really helps out us small channels. Thank you for viewing. Please join me for my next video.